So let us understand about the National Human Rights Commission, which is your NHRC, and this was also there in your notes also. The real test of the rights given by any constitution is their actual implementation. The poor, illiterate, and the deprived section of the society must be able to exercise these rights. Now, what are they saying? That any constitution, okay, they will give you certain kinds of rights, but उन rights का real test कब होता है? जब वो actually implement हो पा रहे हैं, that means लागू हो पा रहे हैं and work कर पा रहे हैं. So whenever you are studying something, okay, so आपको कितना समझ आया है उसका रियल टेस्ट कैसे होगा? when we are taking a practical examination. Okay, the same way, if any constitution is giving rights to its individual, its real test और उसका evaluation तभी हो सकता है when we actually look at its implementation part. Or basically the ones who are poor, the ones who are illiterate, who are not literate enough to understand what are rights, so how are, or these deprived sections, so how are they able to exercise their rights? So ये बहुत important है. Independent organizations like the People Union for Civil Liberties, that is PUCL, you need to remember the name, or People Union for Democratic Rights, PUDR, have been working as watchdog against the violation of rights. So apart from these, judiciary mechanism, we also have individual organizations, independent organizations that are independently created. Okay, so few of them are PUDR, that is People's Union for Democratic Rights, and PUCR, which is People's Union for Civil Liberties. So they also look into rights, that किसी का right violate तो नहीं हो रहा है, तो they are kind of watchdogs who are always having the rights, eyes on the matters that कहीं पे right violation तो नहीं हो रहा. In this background, the government has established in 1993 an institution, the National Human Rights Commission. So what are they basically saying? That how rights are important and our rights even working actually, that हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने राइट्स तो दे दी है, बट एक्चुअली जब उसका वायलेशन हो रहा है तो क्या हमें कोई प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है? सो लुकिंग एट दैट एस्पेक्ट एंड लुकिंग एट द एस्पेक्ट्स दैट हाउ इलिटरेट पीपल और डिप्राइव्ड पीपल विल एक्चुअली अवेल देयर लीगल राइट्स. ओके, एंड इफ देयर राइट्स आर वायलेटेड, वो जस्टिस कैसे ले सकते हैं? सो इनिशियली वी आर सेइंग दैट there were some independent organizations also. कोर्ट में तो आप हमेशा जा ही सकते हो. Then there are certain commissions also, like we heard about the Women Commission, the Minority Commission, the Scheduled Caste Commission. Then independent organizations भी बनी हुई थी. They can also fight for you if you are not literate, if you are poor. Apart from that, looking at the history, in 1993 what was created? National Human Rights Commission was also established by the government of India. Okay, now the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, is composed, that means what are the members, किन लोगों से फॉर्म होकर ये पूरा कमीशन फॉर्म होता है? is composed of a former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, okay, of India. that means जो already Chief Justice रह चुके हैं Supreme Court के former. So there has to be a former Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, a former Judge of Supreme Court, okay, a former Chief Justice of High Court, and 2 other members who have knowledge and practical experience in matters relating to human rights. So how many members are there? There has to be एक Chief Justice होना चाहिए former Supreme Court का, एक Judge Supreme Court का, former Judge जो already रह चुके हैं. So that means basically the retired ones, okay, former Chief Justice of High Court, and apart from that 2 members who have knowledge about, practical knowledge about all the legal matters and human rights. We have understood the composition. When was it established? It was established in the year 1993 by the government of India. We have talked about its composition. Now let us talk about its function. The commission functions include inquiry at its own initiative or a petition presented to it by a victim into complaint of violation of human rights. Now commission का function क्या है? commission basically अपने आप से इंक्वायरी करता है, अपने खुद के इनिशिएटिव से. अदरवाइज इफ़ किसी ने ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन में कोई पेटिशन फाइल कर दिया है, विक्टिम ने पेटिशन फाइल कर दिया या एक कंप्लेंट ड्रॉप कर दिया इंक्वायरी के लिए. सो फॉर दैट NHRC बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, विजिट टू जेल टू स्टडी द कंडीशन ऑफ इनमेट्स. ओके, वो जेल में भी फ्रीक्वेंट विजिट करते हैं देखने के लिए क्या जेल में कंडीशन इनमेट्स की सही है, क्या उनके साथ टॉर्चर तो नहीं किया जा रहा. Undertake and promote research in the field of human rights. And important thing, this is also one great profession people are going for, that once you grow up and you want to choose your profession, you can even go to or do an internship under National Human Rights Commission. यहाँ पे research work भी होता है. Okay, ह्यूमन राइट्स के वायलेशन से रिगार्डिंग रिसर्च वर्क भी करते हैं, रिसर्च भी करते हैं. पीपल स्टडी अबाउट देयर कंडीशंस और वायलेशंस और हाउ आर राइट्स ऑफ पीपल वायलेटेड एंड मेक रिपोर्ट्स ऑन दैट, फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस टू इट, हैव अ प्रॉपर रिसर्च वर्क. सो वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द फंक्शन. NHRC कैसे काम करता है, अपने खुद के इनिशिएटिव पे काम करता है. अगर उसे लगता है कहीं पे राइट्स का वायलेशन हुआ है, सो NHRC विल गो देयर, हैव एन इंक्वायरी देयर, ओके, हैव अ डिस्कशन देयर. और if someone else has filed, the victim has filed the petition, the commission receives complaint in. And the third thing is the kinds of complaint, किस तरीके की complaints receive होती है NHRC में. The commission receives complaint in thousands every year. These relates to custodian death. Okay, custodian death basically refers to आप custody में आपको रखा हुआ है, that is इंक्वायरी के लिए आपको कस्टडी में जेल में रखा हुआ है या द पुलिस स्टेशन में यू आर बीइंग देयर, एंड विद इन दैट कस्टडी पीरियड आपकी डेथ हो जाती है. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कस्टोडियन डेथ. कस्टडी में डेथ होना इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज इट इज़ अ क्वेश्चन मार्क टू द अथॉरिटी. मे बी आपने पर्सन के साथ बहुत टॉर्चर किया होगा इसीलिए उनका कस्टडी में डेथ हो गया, सो इट बिकम्स अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Custodian rape, if you are in a custody and you are in a jail and you have under inquiry period, or you are in a police station and within that custody if a rape happens, it is again a question mark, that custody or a police station is something where these things should not happen and why it has happened. Disappearances, kidnapping of people are suddenly disappeared. Police excesses, okay, failure in taking actions, indignity of women. So all these cases, अगर पुलिस फेल कर रही है काफ़ी जगहों पे या पुलिस टॉर्चर कर रही है, और इफ़ देर इज़ फेलियर इन टेकिंग एक्शंस, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल समवन्स राइट इज़ बीइंग वायलेटेड एंड एक्शन इज़ नॉट बीइंग टेकन, और इट इज़ अबाउट indignity of women's, okay, women's are not being respected or their dignity is not being respected. In most significant intervention has been on disappeared youth in Punjab and intervention and trial of Gujarat Roy's cases where it intervention and proved effective. So these are the kinds of complaints, the custodian death, custodian rape, disappear ho jana, failure of taking actions, indignity of women. Apart from that, NHRC ने जो सबसे प्रोग्रेसिव उनके इंटरवेंशंस रहे हैं वो कहाँ रहे हैं. देयर वाज दिस केस ऑफ पंजाब जहाँ पे यूथ डिसअपियर हो गया था, एंड ऑल्सो जो ट्रायल्स चल रहे थे गुजरात रॉयट्स में. गुजरात रॉयट्स बेसिकली टुक प्लेस अराउंड 2003 to 2002, okay, in Gujarat when Modi rule was there. You can have Google idea about it, and also there are many videos regarding the riots also. I'm not promoting any kinds of party politics here, but if you have interest you can go and check out a lot of videos there. So NHRC has intervened into lot of such complaints, and most prominent of these are these two complaints. The commission does not have the power to prosecution. It can merely make recommendations to the government or recommend to the court to initiate proceedings based on the inquiry that it conducts. For more details we can visit to NHRC's official website, which is www.nhrc.nic.in. One important thing you need to understand is NHRC के पास कोई लीगल अथॉरिटी नहीं होती है, ओके. वो केस फाइल नहीं करवा सकते, प्रोसिक्यूशन नहीं करवा सकते हैं. बेसिकली वो गवर्नमेंट को सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं, वो कोर्ट में भी पेटिशंस डाल सकते हैं, एंड गवर्नमेंट को बोल सकते हैं कि आप रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं दैट यहाँ पे इन लोगों की राइट्स वायलेट हो रही है, काइंडली इंटरवीन, प्रोसीडिंग्स करवा सकते हैं, इंक्वायरी के लिए पूछ सकते हैं, बट उनके पास लीगल पावर नहीं होती, ओके. So this is all about your NHRC, and this is a very important topic in terms of your looking towards your exam perspective. Okay.